Guys, in very short, I'm going to tell you about how to debug a CAPM application. So this will be very basic and you can just grab the knowledge in few minutes. So here is a CAPM application that I have built. It's very basic and very straightforward. I have added a UI5 part also in it, which is the Fiori part. So if I go to the app, there is a view I have created, which is called main. So I open the view folder and here is the main file. Now I have added some button and a table here. If I go to the DB part, I have created the schema also. So in schema, I have entity called books. So books has some fields which is title, author, genre, price, currency, stock, rating, published. Okay. Now here is the SRV part where we write the CDS part for the service where we write the service, and also we write the um, implementation of that service. So if I open the SRV, I go to the CDS part here. I have created one service called catalog service, and in this catalog service I have the entity books and books that I just showed you. So that I have shown you. Now if I go to the catalog service.js, which is the implementation file, so here we have to put the debugger, we have to put the breakpoint. So I have written the code here, a basic code. So if you want to put a breakpoint here, you need to click on this place exactly. So let's say you want to put on this line. In this line, you have to make the debugger stop. So you have to put a breakpoint here. Just click on the left side of the line number and it will show a red dot. It's like a bindi thing it will show, and the debugger will stop here. So I'll put here also and here also and here also. Wherever you want, you can put your debugger breakpoint. I can put it here also, can put it here also. Now once you have put the breakpoint in the debugger, you need to go to the panel. So this is the panel, and in the panel you have to go to the run and debug part. So you have to click on the run and debug part, and you can see there is a run configuration there. So it's CDS serve. You can add the run configuration also by clicking on this settings button, but as of now we will go with the CDS serve. So you have this green icon, right? So this button you have to click. So I have clicked on this green button, so it will start the debugger now. So for seeing what is happening, we need to go inside this debug console. All right, so in the debug console, as you can see, the app is already running on this port, the localhost 4004. So now you have to click on this to run the application. All right, so let me click on this. Yeah, so now you can see the web applications. If you're familiar with CAPM, this is what you see. If you run the CDS watch command, same you're seeing it here. So you have web applications, you have endpoint for metadata and your service. So I would like to open the index.html file. So if I click on the index.html file, it's loading the file, and you can see this busy indicator. It has not loaded the data because we have put the debugger. So we have put the breakpoint. So now if I go to the catalog service.js, I can see the breakpoint has the debugger has stopped at this breakpoint, which is const user, and you can just go one step from here. So if I click on this step over, which is F10, it will go to the next one, then it will go to the next one. If you want to execute it or go to the next breakpoint directly, you have to click on this continue, which is the F5. All right, so all the variables that you have defined here will be shown on the left side. So you have certain sections here. Variables is one section here, so you can see all those values here. Now this is basically how you do debugging, and you can try creating one application, a very basic application, or you can try creating an application through Joule, or you can try the minified sample UI and create an application, and you can try debugging. So this is for people who are very new to CAPM and never like developed any application or debugged any application. So this was it, and thank you everyone. Yeah, have a nice day or a good night, whatever, whenever you are seeing it. Bye.